This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing all power sources immediately. Safety is primary. Once the cover is off, ground yourself to prevent static discharge and inspect the RAM module and slot for visible debris or corrosion. Carefully release the retaining clips and lift the module straight out, noting its orientation. Handle the RAM by the edges only to avoid contact with gold fingers. Now that the module is removed, position both the stick and the slot under good light to begin targeted cleaning. Now, clean the slot using compressed air in short bursts at a 45-degree angle. This dislodges dust without driving particles deeper. For stubborn grime, gently use a soft brush to sweep particles away and apply 90% plus isopropyl alcohol sparingly to the brush. Never pour into the slot. If contacts on the module show tarnish, lightly rub the gold fingers with a clean rubber eraser. Then remove eraser dust with a final compressed air. Pass so nothing remains before reassembly. Once everything is dry and free of debris, align the module to the slot and press evenly until the retaining clips click. Uneven seating causes boot failures. Reinstall the cover, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS to confirm the RAM is detected. Then let the operating system run a quick memory check or stress test. If the system fails to boot or shows errors, power down, reseat the module, try each stick alone and in different slots, and repeat cleaning on any suspect contacts. This isolates faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.